Club sandwich recipe. 12 slices of your favorite bread, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1 pound thinly sliced turkey or chicken, 2 tomatoes, thinly sliced, for leaves of lettuce, salt and pepper to taste, toothpicks optional. 1. Toast the bread slices until golden brown. 2. Spread mayonnaise on one side of each slice. 3. For slices of bread, layer the turkey or chicken, tomato slices, and lettuce. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Place another slice of bread on top, mayo side down. Repeat the layering process for the second layer. Top each sandwich with the remaining slices of bread, mayo side down. 7. If desired, secure the sandwiches with toothpicks and cut them diagonally into halves. 8. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade club sandwiches. Feel free to customize with your favorite condiments or additional toppings. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.